Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And today is WIP Caddy Wednesday. It is one of my favorite days of the week. And I'm looking forward to getting this video recorded and getting this posted for you guys. Well, WIP Caddy is the three-tier cart, basically, where a lot of us are keeping our crochet items that we're working on. So I actually have, well, I did have three, but I have two. And one of them I keep my grandbaby stuff in, so works really good for that too. Well, anyway, a lot of you guys are taking pictures of your cards and you're posting them in my Facebook group page, and I'm able to share them here on my YouTube channel so that everyone can see all the beautiful projects that you guys are working on. If you haven't submitted one yet, please do. We would all love to see what projects you have going on, and just post it in the Facebook group page. And if you don't have that, just email me. My email is in the description box below. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look and see what everyone has on their cards today. Okay, first of all, we have Lori's. And Lori's, it is beautiful. You got some beautiful projects going there. She says on the top, she's working on a 2022 temperature blanket from Jada and Stitches. And in the middle, her Easy Peasy baby blanket from Crochet Crowd, and a C2C striped baby blanket. And on the bottom, the Ugly Scrappy blanket, which is my tutorial, and I will leave a link below. Now here we have Rebecca's cart. She's got some pretty colors on here too. She says that on her top shelf, she has the red and black hat and scarf set, multicolored and a black scarf, pink and peach washcloths, middle shelf, finishing up peeps, a baby blanket, and a green placemat, bottom shelf, yarn, twin blanket, almost done. Oh, that is awesome. You got some cool projects there, Rebecca. Okay, so now we have Erica's. She says that the light blue baby blanket is for a little boy that is due in July and August, and that they have 3 little girls already. She used the Be Mine square crochet blanket pattern from Crochet Crowd. She says that the blue and cream striped blanket is a queen size and that it's slow in coming. Yes, that's a big size blanket. The pattern is Little Boy Blue from Crochet Crowd or Yarn Inspirations, and that is a very pretty blanket. The basket is made from scrap yarns, and it currently houses her little girl's toys, but that's going to change soon enough. And the pattern is my pattern, so I will leave the link below for that. And that is a very beautiful basket that you made there. Okay, so now we have Donna's cart, and Donna's got a lot of stuff going on too. She says that she's got some corner-to-corner latte cakes, Afghan on top with some cotton for dishcloths, secret yarnery sober granny blanket of Caron skinny cakes on the middle with a Venice glamour scarf, hooded baby blanket with feels like butter on the bottom, and she really needs to take an organization break. Yeah, me too, Donna. So now we have Patsy's. Patsy says that the bear is still naked. That made me laugh. But she does have a basket and a wrap done this past week. And now she's working on a 2022 Christmas blanket, and some doll clothes are on her agenda for this week. And to have a blessed week, everyone. Well, you have a blessed week too, Patsy. So now we have Isela's cart, and she says that she wanted to share a modification to her caddy and credit it to her son Mike. She says that she turned the top shelf over to make a shelf, and now she has more room on the second shelf to stack boxes to keep the projects in. And she says now that she thinks of it, any of the shelves could be turned over, and that these caddies are more versatile than she ever thought. She said that she hung a project bag and a hanger with a Ziploc on the sides for her spinning projects, and she wants to use the sides of the shelves, and she's looking for accessories. So here we have Susanna's cart. She says that her WIP cart has shawls that have been frogged back to where there was an oops, and so now she has to repair them, while the one on the bottom has to be repaired and the other 2 have to be redone to completion. There's shawls, the Virus shawl, a Purity shawl, and a Serenity shawl. You have a lot of patience there, Susanna. Wasn't that a lot of fun? I love seeing what everyone is working on. The Facebook group page, like I said, if you haven't joined my Facebook group page, you need to. It is full of talented people. And Oh my gosh, I learned so much from you guys. So yeah, I'll leave the link to my Facebook in the description box below for you guys. Okay, so yeah, just grab you a cup of coffee, something to drink. I'm just drinking good old black coffee. So just, yeah, grab you anything you want to drink, eat, and sit back and relax. And let's see what's on my, I guess, WIP cart this week. Some things I'm not sure if I will start till next week, but hey, I've got them out here, right? That's the main thing. They're not put up somewhere. So let's see what I've got going. First of all, I guess I could show you what I finished. This is the poncho that I finished for, it's my first poncho. So I'm pretty excited about it. I had to frog it, you know, a few times to get my stitch count and stuff right of when, because this is actually made to fit all sizes. All you need to do is keep increasing until you get to the width that you want, and then you just go back to, you know, just making it regular. Anyway, that's it again, one more time. And then I'll show you my other one. This one I did to match my calendar for the Yarny Fiber Sisters. And this one is a little heavier, so this one will be worn in the fall. But here it is. So yeah, I finished my first poncho design, and I'm so excited over this. And the comments and the, I guess, response I'm getting from it is very good. So thank you guys very much for that. Let's see what else I have on mine. One thing I went ahead, this is hosted by the Yarny Fiber Sisters. That's Butterfly Dreams Crochet and Steals the Show Crochet and More Chef. And this is for May that's coming up. This is the Seen It Beauty Calendar. They are posting these pictures in the Facebook group. So you may want to go join the Yarny Fiber Sisters. So you don't have to go and buy one of these. This was from the Dollar Tree. And it's the 2022 Seen It Beauty Calendar. There's the name of it right there. Seen It Beauty Calendar. Each month, the Yarny Fiber Sisters are posting this picture for each month. And you just make something similar to it. So, oh, someone made a doll outfit using this same wild carnation yarn that I did for this month right here, and I just thought that was so cool. Let's see. If I can think of it, I'll post a picture of it right here. All right, so here's what I've chosen for this one. I happen to have some of this Premier Anti-Pilling DK and this Yarn Bee. My sister Tanya bought me this right here, and when she was in Louisiana one time. But yeah, that's the colors I picked. I don't know what I'm making yet, but I'm going to make something. I have 3 of these, and then this one right here. So, and she said the blue looked real good because it kind of goes with the dark blue, and then it goes to the light blue, and then there's a little peep of light right there that would be in this right here, and then of course there's the gold. So that's maybe going to be my colors. I went through all my yarns, and this really is all that I have that, I don't know, that just kind of said, take me, make something with me. So I did. All right, guys, the next thing that I have on mine, oh my gosh, I'm just not sure what to think of this. It's turning out so huge. I'll show you the picture first. It is, here it is right here. That's what I'm making. All right, don't they look like they'd be little? I mean, they do to me. In the book, you know, I mean, they just look like they would be little. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Are you ready for this? Let me get it straight here. It's huge. This sucker is huge. So, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And now that I look at it, his eyes look like they're off center. They look like they're right in person, but in the camera they look a little off centered. Anyway, it's going to have this brown thing that sits on top, and it comes down to here, and then it has a big nose. And it said 16 stitches apart, and so I actually had 15 stitches apart. But here it is, the bottom. Here's the back side. Anyway, this is going to be a deer or a fawn, whatever you want to call it. But it's huge. Look at it up against my head. I did not know it was going to be this big. I feel like I'm crocheting forever. I feel like this is like a major project. When I do these amigurumis, they're not supposed to be a major project. You're supposed to finish them like in 2 days at the most. Yeah, I've been working on this forever. So anyway, I hope that once I get the face on it that I'm going to love it more. I mean, I do love it already like this. But it's just so big. It was supposed to be for a baby gift. And I just feel weird giving such a large baby gift. Anyway, maybe once it's all done, it'll look real cute. And they can set it up in the corner of the room. I mean, it's big enough to sit in the floor. I was wanting something to sit on the dresser. But anyway, let's see. I'm just working out. This was a basket that I made to match. Let's see, March, February, March. This is the basket that I made to match the colors in the March calendar. But anyway, and there's my colors and stuff I'm working with. And I'm using a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook on this thing, which I've ordered one of these to come in the red, the Etimo, and it's been, I know, over 2 weeks now, and I'm still waiting for that. It keeps saying that it has shipped, so I don't know. And it's not letting me get to the point where they're saying like, you know, go ahead and ask for a refund. It's not doing that, so I guess it's out there and it's not lost yet. I don't know. But anyway, that's where I'm at on that, working on it. Let's see what else I have. Oh yeah, I have some new glasses here, courtesy of Zimpf. I wanted to show these to you guys. I'm pretty excited about them. Look at that. They're just fantastic. They're beautiful. They have that little leopard print design on them. I guess that's what you call them. And anyway, they sent these to me. They let me pick out a pair of glasses. Oh my gosh. You know, I was just beyond excited to be able to pick out a pair of prescription glasses. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'd love to do that. These things are beautiful. I can't wait to show these off to everybody. They had a pair that I'm still thinking about going to getting. I wasn't quite sure, but they're like this. And basically, I think the same design, you know, as far as the shape and everything. But they were the clear look. The whole thing was like, it's not really white, but it's the clear white. Anyway, oh my gosh, I wanted those so bad. And then I was at Colton's Steakhouse in Cabot, I guess it was about a week ago. And the hostess there had a pair on. And I was like, those are the glasses from Zimpf. Anyway, this is the name of the company, Zimpf. I'm really not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to say Zimpf. And their choices, it took me forever to pick because they have some beautiful glasses. And it was a really easy process. But anyway, I wanted to share this with you guys and let you know that I'll leave their link below in the description box. And they're a 50% off on the frames. And there is a 10% off the lenses. So I guess that means like your prescription lens. But anyway, I do plan on getting that clear pair of glasses just to see how they look, you know, because that girl looks so good in them. And I was like, maybe they'll look good on me too. But anyway, I'm really excited about this. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. Like I said, I'll leave their link below. And thank you, Zimpf, for letting me have a pair of these glasses to show off in my videos, and I'm so proud of them. So thank you very, very much. And I think you guys would be happy too. Like I said, it was easy. It was no problem at all. And they fit perfectly. As soon as I pulled them out of this box right here, I mean, it was like, it was perfect everywhere. It fit in here. It fit back here. Everything was just perfect. So yeah, go try them out. Zimpf. Okay, let's see what else I have. So the last thing that I have is I'm working on my Annie's, working out of one of my baskets. This is kit 3. And I'm still working on Bagel Days, the squares that she's got going. Still working on those. And I plan on getting caught up on those this weekend, because as soon as I get this little animal made, or this big animal made, then I am going to, I guess, probably work on the Bagel Day squares, get caught up on that, and then my Annie's. Yeah, that's the plan. The deer, the Bagel Day squares, and then my Annie's. And we'll see what I get done that I can have ready to show you guys for Monday. Now, hopefully I'll be able to send him to his home at least by Sunday. And if I do, I'll just do a little video clip on that for you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Defeat is impossible. Then you will prosper if you take care to fulfill the statuses and judgments with which the Lord charged Moses concerning Israel. Be strong and of good courage. Do not fear, nor be dismayed. That's in 1 Chronicles 22, verse 13. God, my Father, you are the leader of my life. May I never walk away from your wisdom that brings life. As long as my life is joined to yours, I will taste the fruit of your kingdom, carrying it with me into every situation. I will not be dismayed when the timing of your promises does not match up with my own. Encourage my heart when disappointment starts to set in. Keep my heart woven into yours, giving me the strength and courage I need to keep going. Walking in the confidence of who you are, I will find the satisfaction I'm looking for. How could I miss it when it's all based in you? Your strength becomes my own as I lean on you. I don't have to trust in my own abilities. What a relief. Thank you for your grace that leads me into the abundance of life in you. And then it says, what unknown outcomes are keeping you from showing up with courage? Okay, wasn't that great? I love doing that. I'm so glad you guys enjoy the 365 days of prayer. I get so many comments, and then if I forget to put it in one of the videos, I get comments saying that they missed it. So I appreciate that, guys, very, very much. Yeah, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.